outback Australia. I'm going outback Australia. I'm going outback Australia.
G'day everyone, Roy from the Caravan Show again. Now listen, I've got a special guest with me this morning. I've got Kevin Sulli-Van. Kevin, come on in. Now Kevin,
hi Roy,
you were telling me that you were looking at that new Gusto unit on the video the other day and how impressed you was and how you think it will really be beneficial to people to be able to get all that, keep the van clean, is that right?
We've been in the van a few weeks. The van's fantastic. We need some help, and we saw the Gusto, and I said to Belinda, we need one of those.
Well listen, you're never going to believe this, but I was actually talking to Nat about you and about your van, and he's got a bit of a surprise for you this morning. Come on. How you doing, mate?
Kevin, how are you, mate?
Oh, great. Roy, good to see you again. So, you've got a surprise for Kevin. Tell Kevin what your surprise is.
I have. We've got Kevin and Belinda a brand new Gusto to stick straight in their brand new Caravan. So he's super stoked, and we're super happy to be able to pass this on, and hopefully you love it.
I think the kids will love it as well. Belinda and I already love it. Can't wait to see it in action, full on, in our Sulli-Van. Thanks so much. That can't think of enough. We really need one. Everyone needs one.
Okay.
And
so,
sorry,
you know what?
I'm super keen here.
These guys have got it easy. See, Kevin's getting one, Nathan's supplying it, but I've got to fit it. And the van's already built. And I've got to work out how the heck I'm going to do this. So it's going to be a bit of a challenge for us today. But you know what? We're always up for a challenge. And I think it's well worthwhile.
You'll be able to do it, Roy.
Yeah, I think we can do it. What do you think?
Full faith in you. Full faith in you. It'll go good.
Full faith in the Sunland team.
That's it,
well,
yeah, the Sunland team.
Yeah, good on you. All right, so we're going to go give this a go, and let's see how it works out. So come on, guys, let's go do it.
Okay.
Let's have a look at what we think, where we think this would work well on this. Where do you think would be the best location in terms of the fact that we're wanting to clean ourselves off before we go into the door, aren't we? So the shortest distance between where we use your Gusto and where we're actually going to get the benefit would be as close to the door as possible.
Yeah, well, when we're thinking about Gusto, there's RVs, caravans, camper trailers, and predominantly the whole idea is try and keep your feet clean, no sand, wet grass, or any other debris off your feet. So obviously closest to the entry point of any vehicle is commonly best. Normally when you walk into a caravan, RV, camper trailer, there's always a void point. You'll open the door, you leave it, you've got the kitchen, or you've got bench seating or bed, but there's always a void point near the entry point of a door. So basically, in Kevin's instance, we've got a perfect spot just here. Behind this wall, we have some drawers in the kitchen.
There's some drawers behind there, yeah.
So we're going to look at putting it here for the guys. That way, easy access, easy to use. It's right near the entry point into the van. I mean, it's right there. You'll have a hook. You can use it when you need it. Hook it back up when you're not using it.
What do you think about that?
Perfect. Great spot.
Now, of course, the only thing is if we're going to do this is Belinda's going to lose a little bit of drawers, but I've got a guy here that I reckon can find a solution for that. I think we can raise the drawers a little bit, because I noticed when I looked in it before, Belinda's bought specific size canisters.
Yes.
And they're just the height she wants them to be.
Yep.
But I'm going to have to encroach into that a little bit. So I reckon we can work around that. Look, I've got just the guy to do that. Alan, come over, mate. Meet Nat.
Nice to meet you.
Have you met Kevin before? You have.
I talk to Al a lot. Yep.
Yeah.
We love Al.
So you've done the handover for these guys. You've shown them how it all works. Now you're going to have to show them what happens when they get a Gusto retrofitted to their caravan. Are you up for the task?
Certainly am.
Good. Let's give it a go. We'll come back shortly and we'll see how successful you've been.
Right there. Was it? Right there.
Right there. That's the place.
Wait.
Okay. Back shortly.
Hi guys. Well, we've just finished installing Gusto, and I'd firstly like to thank Roy West from Sunland Caravans for giving us the opportunity to have this installed into the Sullivan van. And we have the Sullivans here, and I'm just going to, they're super stoked. Yeah. So we're just going to just quickly brief the Sullivans on how this actually works. So once setting up, there's Gusto fully installed. We have a turnkey. Basically from here, guys, you've got your 2.5 metre hose. Once your 2.5 metre hose is out, it's basically a push and twist. Really, really simple.
Easy.
Yeah, we have a handle you will have 3 brush heads. So there's 3 brush heads that come with Gusto. We have a really soft one for the kids, another one for your feet, another one for your shoes. You can put on whichever one you like. When you're ready to use it, it's just basically ready to go from there. We'll turn on the switch once setting up. You want to clean your feet or so forth, you can pick it up. Proximity sensors straight here. So basically you swipe your hands in front of proximity sensor, it comes on, and we'll just blow Kevin's hair around.
What I use it for.
Yeah. But basically for cleaning your feet or, you know, whatever you want to do there, you know, whatever you want to do. Yeah.
Very sandy today.
Yeah. So there we have it. First one ever installed, and we're super stoked. So enjoy, guys.
Thanks, Nat. Thanks, Gusto. We're going to use this a lot. You got to get one of these.
Going out back Australia. I'm going out back Australia. I'm going out back Australia. I'm going out back